Hey guys, Victor's here with DIY Time, and today I'm going to share a quick tip on how to remove camshaft pulleys when doing a timing belt job or when replacing camshaft oil seals. And for that I'm going to be using universal timing gear holding tool. It has a big opening in the middle for the bolt and adjustable gear teeth to hold the pulley that can work on a large range of gear sizes. All you need to do is attach the tool to the camshaft pulley in a way that allows you to access the bolt in the center, and then have someone hold the tool to prevent pulley from spinning, and then loosen the bolt in the center. Most of the times you can rent this tool for free from your local auto parts store, but if it's not available you can just buy one. If you need help finding it, check out the links in the description area below this video. Now you should be able to remove the bolt and take out the camshaft pulley. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to see more useful tips like this.